This is Pic-a-Part Las Vegas, and this BMW, it's 2006, has the whole AC Schnitzer, whatever it is, package. I know that's a lot of money. I don't know how to get, I'm traveling, so I'm not taking any of this stuff, but it's rare. Looks like someone tried to get it. That's got a ding, but you're gonna repaint this anyway in any body shop. You fix that in 5 seconds. Don't know if those are worth anything. Oh, it's missing this panel. That's gonna be really hard to find. All right, if you're in the area, come on down and get this stuff. See, it's got a little vent thing. I don't know if the interior has anything special, or for that matter, the motor, the exhaust is huge. All right.